Hey guys, Justin with Oracle Lighting here. Today we were at the SEMA show checking out some new products in the Oracle Lighting booth. One of the new products that's getting a lot of attention is the LED rock lights. These normally install in the wheel wells of most applications, and as you can see, they're extremely bright. You can pick any color you like through the free app. They come in a 4-piece kit, or if you really want to get bright and crazy, we have an 8-piece kit, so you double the amount of LEDs. You can conveniently control the lights via Bluetooth on your cell phone. You can select solid colors, you can control the brightness of those colors, and you can also control a strobe for any solid color and control the speed at which the lights strobe. There are a bunch of pre-programmed patterns for just about any type of application or theme that you have. And then you can also control the lights through your phone's microphone. So as you can see, the lights are responding to the sound of my voice, and they can actually include a different color, and the lights will respond with those colors to the sound of your voice or music or whatever. Another cool thing that someone pointed out here at SEMA is that as you rev the engine, the lights will flash faster. So that's another cool feature. You can also do DIY. DIY is a do-it-yourself theme. So if you have a special theme or color that you want to select for your vehicle, you can actually do that through the DIY settings on this app. MSRP for the kit starts at under $100. For more information, visit www.oraclelights.com.